gates are going down, buddy. Hey guys, here comes the Searing westbound train in Emmett, Michigan. I think. Gates should go down. That's a short. Yep, here we go. The local. Yep, local. There's an eastbound too, hang on. Yeah, it's an eastbound, see it? I tried to do a live stream, but it didn't work out. That was a good horn, by the way. Oh yeah. The eastbound should move now, unless there's another westbound, but I don't think so. That was a local. Look. Yeah, it's a bright number train. Gates are back down. Here it comes. Emmett, Michigan. Echo. Weird westbound and southbound in the yard. I just don't know if it's gonna come this way. I wonder if he's got a clear signal. If he does, we'll go back to Port Huron, but we'll see in a minute. He may stop. Signals are all red. We got another westbound coming, so we'll see. That was a good horn. It's a big eastbound right there. Meat, cool. Local meat eastbound. But I'm not sure. It could be another east or westbound coming. Yeah, sorry, I'm just here. Yeah, sorry about that. Just, I was checking my boot camera, make sure it's okay. You know what? This is CNA for 92, isn't it? I see flat cars. Yeah, it's the A for 92, I think. Yeah. If we stop, there's another westbound coming, but we'll see. He may go straight through. Kinda tough to do a live stream because I tried doing it, it wouldn't work out, you know? You probably have to plot for the big train, you know? Yeah, that's what I think. I'm out by the sign because there's snow on the ground. It's crazy, you know? Yeah. I don't see any westbounds yet. I think he's moving. He's moving, but I don't know if he could go straight through, you know? What the heck is that down there? What is that? Let me zoom in. I don't know what that is. It's a signal. And yeah, there's another westbound coming. And yeah. Another westbound. He's gonna stop. Maybe. Because the signal's red and yellow up there for a westbound, so. You gonna stop? You may not, I don't know. You probably will. A little bit. Probably that big one. Yeah. Oh, no, now he's slowing down. Yep. I can tell you. I can hear the brakes. Oh, I'm looking. Sorry, I'm moving the camera around. It's just I keep looking to see about westbound coming because that signal up is yellow red now. Yep. Maybe another westbound train. I think. Now he's slowing down. Yep. Yep. He's stopping. Not yet, there will be. See, now he's stopping. But that's the end up there. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna put my gloves on real quick. That's the end, see it? Yeah, alright. Sorry, I zoomed in again. What the heck? Alright, here's the end up there.